Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Well, the COVID situation in India is really bad and a lot of efforts are being done to get hold of the situation and control this situation as early as we all could. And recently a positioning technique is being talked a lot about, which is the proning position or the prone position, which basically means that the person have to lie down on their tummy या जिसको हम बोलेंगे कि पेट के बल सोना या उल्टा लेटना. Now, this position has been found to be very effective in people who are positive and are having symptoms like breathlessness and their oxygen saturation levels, they are falling. But what if somebody is expecting or is pregnant and because of the belly she is not able to go into the prone position? Then what can she do if she is experiencing such symptoms of breathlessness or any difficulty in breathing? Well, that is exactly what I'll be telling you. I'll also be telling you some of the simple breathing exercises which will also provide you some relief if you're feeling breathlessness or if the oxygen saturation levels they're falling. Then these exercises and these alternate positions of prone position will be very effective in women who are expecting at this point. So without wasting much time, let's get started and let's see what are all these positions. Now, because of pregnancy, you cannot go into the prone position. So first position will be resting on the exercise ball. For this you need an exercise ball, and don't worry if you don't have one. I'll be telling you an alternate position in just a minute. So you take a medicine ball and you lie on it in this way and find a comfortable position with your arms and your legs and lay there for some time and gently rock around from side to side. Now rocking is not necessary. If you want, you can just stay in one position. Always make space between your legs or your knees so that you can accommodate your belly, and then rest on this ball for some time. You can stay in this position as long as you're comfortable. Generally it is around 10 to 12 minutes that is recommended, and you can follow this up around 2 to 3 times in a day. Now if you do not have this medicine ball or exercise ball, then you can always use pillows. Take as many pillows as you would require and place them in front of you, stack them one over the other, and then adopt the same position and lie down on it with your hands folded in front of you. Or you can also find another position for your hands to rest comfortably. If you think you are bending too much, then you can always stack up more pillows, or you can use the edge of any table or chair or your bed and place pillows over there and then rest in this position. It is a reclined kind of position, but in anterior position it is not exactly the prone position, but it mimics it and is useful during a pregnancy phase. Now the next position is side lying position. In this you will be requiring 2 to 3 pillows and you have to lie down in your side position. Now one pillow will be placed under your neck and head, and another pillow will be placed between your legs in this manner. And if you want, you can place one pillow for your hand support, and you can again lay there in this position for 10 to 12 minutes. If you feel like turning backwards or slight inclination towards the back, then place the front pillow behind your back so that you're supporting your back, and tilt slightly backwards and lay in this position for some time. And the third position is a recline position where you will be stacking pillows behind your back and you will recline or just incline backwards at an angle of around 30 to 35 degrees and lay there for some time. Now adopting all these positions definitely improves your ventilation and improves your circulation in the lungs. It keeps your alveolar spaces open and it is helpful in easy breathing and also promotes physiological functions of the lung, but it is also quite effective in reducing the back pain during pregnancy. Now some of the useful breathing exercises that one can also do. First is the diaphragmatic breathing. Now in my previous video I have talked about this breathing pattern and how it should be done. So the basic idea is you place one hand on your stomach and another on your chest, and when you breathe in, your tummy should come out, and when you breathe out, it should go in. So concentrate on the movement of your tummy and your breathing pattern. The second exercise is chest expansion. In this, you'll be breathing in, and along with it, you'll be opening your arms out, upwards, and backwards so that you have expansion at your chest so that more air can fill in. And while you exhale out or you breathe out, you'll be bringing your hands forwards and relaxing. Do each exercise for 10 to 12 times, and you can repeat 2 to 3 times in a day. It is not necessary that one has to be positive only to do these exercises. Anybody who is expecting can do these exercises and adopt these positions and do these breathing exercises as a normal routine as well on a daily basis. If you experience any difficulty at any point or you are not comfortable in doing any of these exercises, then you should stop immediately and do consult your concerned gynecologist in case of any difficulties. Now, not everyone should go into prone position. If you have conditions like deep vein thrombosis, if you have increased intracranial pressure, or if there is morbid obesity or any spinal conditions like scoliosis or spondylolisthesis or any kind of trauma to the spine, or even if you're hypertensive, that is with the high BP, or if you have any surgeries in the thoracic and in your abdominal area, you should be avoiding the prone position. Well, that's it in today's video. If you like our video, then do like it, share it with someone who might find it useful, especially in these difficult times, and do subscribe to our channel for supporting us. Till then, be happy, be safe, and we'll see you soon in our next video.